So today I come to you with a more serious video about the importance of voting, and I couldn't stress how important this vote is. I would definitely encourage you to research before you go to the polls, know who you're voting for, research your candidates, and I've provided some helpful links down in the description box to help you to do so. This vote matters so much, and it is so important that you get out and vote. I am not a political individual, but I know how important it is for me to get out and vote today. As an African American woman in America, my ancestors have fought so hard for me to vote. This midterm election is so important. I cannot stress how important it is for you to get out today and vote. I won't try and tell you who to vote for, but just know your parties. Do your research. It doesn't have to take all day. I provided some easy links down in the description box for you to click on and for you to get resources and information that will give you the correct information on the candidates that are running. This is so important. If you want to invoke change in our community and in our societies, it is so important to get out and vote. My responsibility as an influencer is not just to give you my designs and things that I think of that are light and fluffy. I have a voice and I have the platform that I need to share it on, and this is it. So I hope that you would get out today and cast your vote. Rain, sleet, or snow, let's get out, let's vote, let's make a change. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.